Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to take a look at Nixie Zero Sugar Soda. This is their cream soda flavor. I found this in a grocery store, and I honestly don't remember if this was on a trip to Colorado or if this was a thing that I found here in town in Wichita. So we're going to give this a shot. It's organic. Includes organic flavors, organic vanilla extract. Everything says organic. Caramel color, stevia leaf extract, citric acid, and Himalayan pink salt. So, and obviously it has carbonated water in it. So, I'm going to try this out. Okay, I am honestly incredibly surprised. It smells like cream soda. Not a lot, just a little bit. But it tastes like cream soda. Like literally cream soda, not like weird fake sweetener soda. I'm trying to taste any fakeness. I'm trying to taste stevia, and it's fun. It's not very sweet at all. It's really weird. It's like cream soda, not super strong. It's like maybe 30 or 40% of a regular cream soda level, but it doesn't have any weird aftertaste. Well, okay, I shouldn't say that. My wife would come in here and drink this and be like, "Oh my god, I can't believe it's." Anyway, she doesn't like any of my soda. At least but she doesn't like any of the newer sweet sodas, newer sugar-free sodas. I'm sorry. Anything with stevia in it, I just don't think she likes. This right here, I can literally say this is the best stevia soda, bar none. Literally nothing I've had comes even remotely close. This is a 10 out of 10. This is Nixie Zero Sugar Soda. Additionally, it's ridiculously expensive. I think I paid like $1.50 or $2 for this can, so it's like very expensive. But this, in terms of like a soda that tastes exactly like you want, it's great. If you like cream soda, highly endorsed. 10 out of 10. I don't know what else there is to say. Fantastic. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all next time. Have a great day.